Bitcoin is trading here since Friday in, like in no man's land. So to be honest, it looks like a stable coin if you are going here on the 50-minute chart on Bitcoin from now to now it's Sunday evening on my time to Friday. Bitcoin is ranging in this range here right now. So it's a kind of range about, what is it, like under 0.5%, which is absolutely crazy. Bitcoin is moving like nothing on Friday evening, but since then we are just consolidating is in this range right now. We have a possibility to long this from the downside or short this from the upside, but in this kind of small ranges we need very high leverage, so it doesn't make sense to go on any long position or short or trade position. Now we are looking here. Bitcoin is still moving a little bit. It looks like that we came back in our range. So our trade is kind of on break even. If you're getting a closer look on our trade, we can see directly, very easy, that we are ranging around our entry price around here. So if you missed already our trade position right now, you can keep waiting or accumulate on the trade position. Even wait if you came maybe like a little bit more down to the entry level, then you can get in the long position as well. I will hold my Bitcoin position because my trade target is still very clear. It's 110,000 US dollars. I will take there some profits on the way. And our main trade target when we're going here on the daily chart, because when we see here on the daily chart, the chart on Bitcoin looks like kind of bullish for us, so more bullish than on the 50-minute chart. We get a kind of red candle from today, but I think the red candle will be also closing in green. Still, yeah, over half a day still left, so over 12 hours still the candle will closing. So it gives us a very good possibility that the red candle will be closing also in green, and we can easily clear see that we get our retest here. We get our breakout of our range, our trade setup, get a retest already, a proper retest, and now moving to the upside. The upside target is all the way at 128 to 136,000 US dollars. I also don't want to bothering here with this trade setup because kinda it looks like Bitcoin is not moving today, so it does make sense to go on many other charts on Bitcoin. The next first thing we can also have a look is kinda on Ethereum. Ethereum is moving a little bit more, so here we can see on the 1 hourly chart that also Ethereum is trading now here kinda, yeah, in our trade setup. So here if you missed this trade already, now you can position yourself perfectly for a next Ethereum long position, because we are holding here this level here right now as a support. We are getting support over there, getting support here, and now a third time support. So here you can open a long position and trade this to our channel top around 2,800 US dollars up. So this is also a good trade position. Let's have a quick look on the liquidation heat map. Here we see in the liquidation heat map that we are kind of trading in the no man's land. So no really big liquidity to the downside, also some only to the upside. So we are kind of in this no man's land range on the 24-hourly chart. On the daily chart or on the 3 daily chart, we can see it more clearer that a lot of liquidity is building up right now. So a lot of liquidity is sitting above us, which also gave us the opportunity to get a short squeeze here to the upside at 109,000 US dollars. But we have to keep in mind that a lot of liquidity is also sitting down below at 106,600 US dollars. So this is also one exact level I would definitely looking at when we're getting here back to the Bitcoin chart. This is also a level 106,600 US dollars. This is kind of this level here. We can also mark this box here or move this box a little bit higher, then we can see it a little bit more clearly. So as soon we get in the box here right now, I would definitely buy some more Ethereum Bitcoin position. Also, you can also build up a limit order already, because I can imagine that we're getting like yeah, after we get the liquidity down on the top on the 109,000 US dollars, that we came down to 106,000 US dollars, grab the liquidity over there, and then get the move to the upside. So it's kind of getting something like this here. Let's mark it for you. Something like this after the weekend. Maybe on Monday we get like the move to the upside, get the liquidity on above us, and then go down before we see the final move to the upside. So this is also one limit order you can place right now, because maybe we can see it like in the beginning of the week that we're getting this move to the downside, so you can position perfectly yourself. So this is one next scenario we are looking for. And if you also want to start trading, go in the video description. There you find a link directly to BITUNIX. Is one of my favorite exchange, where I also will start trading very, very soon on copy trading. So, and if you also want to start trading, just go in the video description. There you found a link directly to BITUNIX. There you can also claim your deposit bonus, start trading over there. And don't also forget to join our Telegram group, link down below, also in the video description. It's the first link there. And then we hopefully see tomorrow, when Bitcoin is not that boring as it is right now. So have a nice evening, and then we see tomorrow.